This here's Clone with another quick tip. Frank just made this video and I'm going to show you how to add a thumbnail to it if you're making videos. I'm also going to have a link to the screen recorder that he uses, but he's off taking a nap or something, sticks me with all this work. So what I do, I go on over to Canva. This is another tip here. canva.com. It's totally free and they have templates for everything. Look at YouTube thumbnail right there, Facebook post, YouTube channel art. That's a humongous picture to put on top of your channel on YouTube. Business cards, postcards, posters. You just look through this and it's awesome. We're going to do the YouTube thumbnail. So there it is, all perfectly sized, and then they got a few over here that you can choose from. Do the background any color you want. So we'll just do pretty blue, maybe background. And then you can add text and elements and layouts and uploads. It's really pretty awesome. So we're going to just say a quick tip. But when I say another, that indicates there's more than this one. Another quick tip from Clone. Frank's clone. Now he's got a female clonia too. So I'm going to put an exclaim there, make it exciting. Okay, then upload. You can upload anything you want, any pictures on here. So let's see. Okay, there I am. So I'll put my picture there. Okay, quick tip from Clone. It's going to say how Frank keeps organizing, gets lots of traffic. All right, let's maybe put an arrow there. Got a nice little white arrow here I like. Try to put that in the middle. There, middle. See the middle? Right there. See that little line there? That's the middle. Okay. This is a heading, so it should be a little bigger maybe. Oh, and I don't like that there font. I'm going to change the font to something cooler like Anton. Oh, check this out. Another quick tip. Now I can make that bigger. See? There we go. And this here I'm going to keep the same Anton, but I'll keep that smaller. Ha! And then maybe I could say like, please subscribe. Please subscribe. What do you think? Please subscribe, and I'll make it the same size as the picture. There. What do you think? Alright, so then you give it a name. Another quick tip from Clone. Okay, then you download it. And in our image folder, another way we stay organized is we have one called thumbnails, okay, and video images. So you're going to stick that right there. Remember what you called it and where you put it. So we're going to go back to YouTube. Okay, custom thumbnail. Okay, that was called another. Here it is. So it uploads there. Now we want to, it chooses it, so then we got to save the changes. Okay. And I said I was going to get your own screen recorder, say 20%. Put the link there. See, I stay organized. So I got a folder called Screencast-O-Matic. There's my referral link. That in there. There. And you got to always remember to save it. Okay, now it's already in 3 playlists. Let's see where we got this. Team training and resources, stay organized, quick tips, and behind the scenes. That's good. So it's saved. Now if we refresh this, it should show that thumbnail up there. There it is. What do you think? See that? Is that lovely? And that's how it's done. This is Clone with another quick tip.